First of all, take a look at this channel. This channel currently has 349K subscribers, and the most surprising part is that it only has 9 videos uploaded. Guys, just think about that for a moment. Only 9 videos, and it already has hundreds of thousands of subscribers. That alone shows how powerful this content style is. Now, if we talk about the performance of the videos on this channel, the numbers are even more impressive. Several of their videos have millions of views. According to Social Blade, the earnings can be surprisingly high. Let me show you something interesting. In the last 30 days, this channel received around 70K views, even though the creator has not uploaded any new video for almost 1 year. Yes, you heard that right. The channel has been inactive for nearly a year, yet it still generated $281 last month without uploading anything, and according to the estimates, over the last year the channel earned around $14,000, even without regular uploads. So this clearly shows how powerful YouTube can be once your videos start getting views. Now, the video you are currently seeing on the screen is a video that I created myself. Just look at how beautiful, clean, and professional it looks. And the most interesting part? This entire video was created using completely free AI tools. So make sure you do not skip this video, because I will show you the entire process step by step. Now let's start the video. Guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, everything is already organized in sections. First, we have the video idea. Then we have the character reference prompt. After that, we have the scene prompts, where 10 image prompts will be generated. Then we have 10 video scene prompts. After that, we have the full voiceover script. And finally, the prompt also generates viral titles, thumbnail ideas, and YouTube descriptions. Is copy this prompt. Then open ChatGPT on your PC. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will start creating all the content automatically. You will see sections like Section 1, Video Idea Section 2, Character Reference, Prompt Section 3, Image, Prompt Section 4, Video Prompt Section 5, Voiceover, Script, then Viral Titles, Thumbnail Style, and finally the YouTube description, and all of this will be generated. The next step is image generation. For image generation today, we are going to use a free AI tool called Flow AI. So without wasting any time, let's move to Flow AI. First, simply open Flow AI. After opening it, click on Create with Flow. Then log in using your Google account. Once you log in, you will see the main dashboard. This tool is completely free to use. Now click on New Project. After clicking New Project, a page will appear where you will see the option Nano Banana Pro. You need to click on it. Here you will see 2 models available, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2. Both of these models are currently free to use. You can select either one, but in this video I will select Nano Banana Pro. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the Section 2, Character Reference Prompt. Then return to Flow AI and paste that prompt inside the prompt box. After that, go back to ChatGPT again. Copy Scene 1 image prompt, then paste it under the character prompt in Flow AI. Once everything is pasted, simply click Generate. Your image generation will start. Within a few seconds, Flow AI will generate the image for you. And guys, let me tell you something important. Flow AI is a 100% free tool. You don't need any paid subscription. You don't need to go to any complicated website. You can generate unlimited images directly from here. Recently, Flow AI also launched a new model called Nano Banana 2, which is extremely powerful. In one of our previous videos, we also showed a comparison of how these models work. Now, as you can see on the screen, the first image has already been generated, and it looks exactly like the style used by the channel I showed you earlier. Now simply download the image. Once the image is downloaded, repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 2 image prompt, then return to Flow AI and paste it again. Click Generate, and the image generation will start again. Within a few seconds, the second image will also be ready. As you can see, the second image showing the comfort zone concept has been generated, and it looks very clean and professional. Now again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next scene prompt, return to Flow AI, paste the character prompt again, and then paste the scene prompt, click Generate, and the third image will start generating. Guys, the process is exactly the same for all scenes. You simply repeat these steps for Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, Scene 9. and Scene 10. I will quickly generate all the scenes. As you can see, the generation process has started. Within a few moments, all the images will be ready, and now you can see the results on the screen. All the images have been generated successfully. That tool is also completely free. So now let's move to the video generation tool. The tool we are going to use today is called Meta AI, which is also a completely free AI tool. First, simply open Meta AI. You will find the link in the description below. Once you open the website, you need to log in using your Facebook account. After logging in, you will see a plus icon on the interface. Simply click on that icon. When you click it, you will see the Create option. Inside the Create section, select Image to Video. Now the next step is to upload the first image that we generated earlier. Once your image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT. Here you will see Scene 1 video prompt. Simply copy it, then return to Meta AI and paste that prompt into the prompt box. After pasting the prompt, click on Generate. As you can see, the first generation has now started. Within a few moments, the video will be ready. And here it is. You can see the final result on the screen. Look at how the camera focuses on the character. Notice how the Stickman's eyes move slightly and how the character looks confused and worried. The animation looks simple but very engaging, which is exactly the style used by viral channels. Now we repeat the same process. But there is one important thing you must remember. Each time you generate a video, you should open a new chat in Meta AI. This is very important. If you continue using the same chat repeatedly, the tool may become limited and stop generating videos properly, so every time, simply start a new chat. Now upload the second image. After uploading the image, go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the Scene 2 video prompt, then return to Meta AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. As you can see, the generation has started again. Within a few seconds, the video will be ready. And here is the result. You can see how the circle moves around the comfort zone concept, and the camera slightly zooms in on the character. Upload the fourth image, copy Scene 4 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in Meta AI, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the video will be ready, and this process will remain exactly the same for all scenes. For Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, Scene 9, and Scene 10, simply repeat the same steps. No changes are required. Once all the videos are ready, simply download all the generated clips. Now we move to the next step, which is voiceover generation. Go back to ChatGPT. Remember the section 5 we generated earlier, which was the Voiceover Script. Simply copy the entire script. Now go to the next tool called 11 Labs. This is also a free AI tool. 11 Labs gives you around 10,000 free characters for every new Gmail account. With this limit, you can generate almost unlimited short voiceovers and easily create 10 to 15 minutes of narration. Now paste the script into 11 Labs. After pasting, you can adjust the script slightly if needed. Then choose any voice. For example, you can select a voice like Roger. Once the voice is selected, simply click Generate Speech. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Now we move to the final step, which is video editing. For editing, we will use CapCut. First, open CapCut, then import all the video clips and the voiceover into the project. Next, place the voiceover on the timeline. Adjust the voiceover first. After that, start placing the video. Clips on the timeline, matching them with the voiceover. Make sure the scenes align properly with the narration. After arranging the clips, you can add a few simple transitions between scenes. You can also add some sound effects to make the video more engaging. Once everything looks good, the final step is exporting the video. Export the video in 4K resolution for the best quality. And that's it. As you can see, we have created an amazing YouTube video using completely free AI tools. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.